Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to build some gates. So to get you all caught up on my RV pad progress, I'm going to be building some gates in this opening that my RV is going to be able to pull in, and then it pulls out through the other end. So on the other end I have a 12-foot gate that I already purchased from Tractor Supply that I'm going to be hanging. And then over here, this is kind of an odd shape, so I'm attempting to make my own gate. I don't know why I come up with these crazy ideas, but I think I can do these things, and I just attempt them. And if I fail, I fail. If I succeed, I succeed. So let's give it a shot. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure the area. My idea is to have two gates. One is going to be a 4 or 5 foot gate here that swings out this way. And another gate is going to be about a 15-foot gate here that swings out this way, and they're going to connect in the middle. So that way I have just a normal size gate to come in and out on a daily basis, and then only when I need to bring the RV in do I have to open up the big gate. So, oh my God, that's a big dog. And that's a little dog. Oh, it's a pug! Where do these dogs come from? Oh. Anyway, I digress. So I'm going to do some measurements, and then I'm going to go into my workshop and start to come up with a plan. So what I'm going to do here is something called a lap joint. A lap joint is when you overlap two 2x4s by cutting them lengthwise. So here with the circular saw, I'm cutting the 2x4 to length, and then I'm going to cut little slits along the 2x4 with the circular saw so that I can have small pieces of wood that I will then chisel out with a wood chisel. I will admit, this is not the easiest thing to do. I tried to cut the wood several different ways with several different tools, and nothing really seemed to be working. So now that the first lap joint is complete, I'm going to use wood glue and screws to fasten them together. For my next attempt, I decided to use the jigsaw, which made it much easier to cut all of the pieces. Now that the 4 corners are complete, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to support them. The pieces of wood I have are not long enough to go diagonally, so I'm going to use a 2x4 down the middle and then create 2 angle pieces from the sides. All right, looks good to me. Now let's put the fencing on. So this is the same fencing I used for the RV pad. It's the 2x4 welded wire. I attempted to use the roof stapler to put them down, and that didn't work. So I got the regular staple gun out. And so now I'm gonna just go around and staple the whole thing to the gate. Good morning. I know I told my whole family, all my family and friends, that I was going to take today off, but I gotta get this gate hung for 2 reasons. 1, I can't build the other gate until I can figure out what the measurements are. And 2, there's a windstorm apparently coming around 1 o'clock today. So what better way to test out if my gate's gonna hang or not, right? So originally I had these extra hinges from the door because we didn't use all of them that I was planning on using for the gate. I'm like, perfect, I already have hinges. But then I quickly realized, like, there's no way to mount this square hinge on this round post. So 2 trips to the hardware store later, I found this doohickey. So this hinge goes onto a bolt, which is the same bolt that I installed yesterday when I hung the store-bought gate from Tractor Supply. This goes in to the post, this slips right on top, and then these bolt into the gate that I just made. So what I'm gonna do is attach this bottom hinge, put that on, and then I'm gonna measure to see where I need to put the top hinge, because this is already kind of on there. I'm gonna measure where that hole needs to be, and we're gonna hang this gate and then take some measurements. Now it's time for me to stick this PVC pipe in the ground so that my cane bolt that I'm going to attach to the gate has something to sink into. Fucker. Fucking pointless. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of difficulties with this task. I give up. I give up. I'm done. I give up. I never give up! The last step for this part of the fence is to attach the cane bolt. All right, this is looking done to me. The winds are picking up. We'll see how she holds. The moment of truth. We're going to close these gates. And whatever they are, they are. Ha! They go. I'm so excited. Look at that! Oh my god! Yay! Oh, they look so good. All right, let me put the latches on. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are done. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you're subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.